as the model has abundant hair volume. My initial focus is on hair volume adjustment next to the scalp, at hair roots and the middle of the hair. Vern Texturizing Scissors 6EA is specifically designed for precision hair volume adjustment next to the scalp, accurately calculating the amount of hair removed, allowing for optimal breathability of the scalp. See, that's all the hair that's been removed. In areas with more hair volume, a single texturizing cut suffices. Avoid repetitive cutting. I now show you the cutting technique for symmetrical feather effects. Through this unique tool, achieving a symmetrical feathered cut is effortlessly accomplished. On the other side, operate through the left hand to complete the symmetrical feathered cut. This highlights the prowess of Vern both-handed faultless cutting technique system. Using a slanting texturizing technique to create a sense of space and a wispy effect. This method significantly enhances the feathering effect. Operating with the left hand on the other side completes this perfectly beautiful hairstyle.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.